Alright, well it's about 3:45 in the morning, and for some reason or another I couldn't sleep, so I decided to take a stab at this night hiking thing that everybody seems to be all hip to, and I'm trying to make it to Glencliff at an early hour so I can get my post office stuff today rather than tomorrow and get another day ahead. So it's pretty fun actually, night hiking. It's a little bit scary, but I'm actually kind of digging it, so I just wanted to make a video of it. There you go.